Good morning, my all class 12th B students. In this video of the subject BO and the topic copying, we will discuss the final things of this chapter. In the previous videos of this chapter copying, we have discussed about the various methods and the meaning, etc. of the copying. Today we will compare the various methods of copying and tell you that which method will be applicable in which type of business. First of all, time. There are few methods: by hand, by press machine, by carbon, or by rotary machine. So time. By hand, time is required separately while preparing the copies. Means when we have written a document, and if we want to make a copy of that document by our hand, it means definitely we need extra time. We need some extra time, some separate time to make the copy. Okay. In pressing machine, comparatively more time is required because copies are prepared separately, and secondly several functions are to be performed for preparing copies. If we are taking copies by hand, we have to just write that, but if we are taking copies through paper machine, it will consume little bit more time because we have to do some functioning too. Okay, then carbon. In this method, very little time is required for single copy because the copy will be prepared along with the original letter. When we are writing our original letter, there will be a carbon paper under our original letter, and at the same time our copy will be prepared by the rotary machine. In this method also copies are separately prepared, therefore in comparison to carbon method some more time is required. Okay, in rotary machine also extra time is required. Method by hand, copying work is not performed with the original letter. Okay, copying work is not performed with the original letter, though it is very simple but more caution required. Okay, but in carbon paper, copying is performed with the original letter. When we are writing the original letter, at the same time our copy will be prepared. And in the rotary machine, there is also, it is not prepared with the along with the original letter. Otherwise the original the rotary handle, whole work is performed automatically. Okay, in rotary machine whole work is performed automatically. Cost: by hand, least expensive, means we don't have to expense any big amount in that. This is little more costly. There is a nominal cost, means we just have to purchase a carbon paper, and this is the most costliest method. Okay, because in this we have to purchase a rotary machine, our worker who will do this all thing, etc. Clarity of copy: by hand, copy will not be clear if handwriting is not clear. Okay, in the press machine, in this copy comes inverse position and less clear. It will not be much clear. In carbon, copies are direct and clear. Copies will be direct as original and clear. And in rotary machine, copies are clear but in inverse position. Okay. Number of copies: by hand we can only make 1 copy. By press machine we can make 3 to 4 copies. By the help of typewriter, in the carbon we can make 10 or 12 copies, or by the rotary machine we can make 20 to 30 copies. Okay. For at last, authenticity: the handwriting copy will not be authenticated in the court. Okay, press machine copy completely authenticated, recognized by the court. Carbon copy will not also completely recognized by the court, and the rotary machine copy will also completely recognized by the court. So we have seen in this chapter that doing copy, the major part in our business organization, and there are several methods of doing the copying, and copying is also different from the duplicating. Copying is also different from the duplicating, and at last we have discussed the various methods of copying and we have compared them. So from my side, this chapter has came to an end. If you have any doubts, any query, you can ask. Till then, keep trying, keep focusing on your studies and keep learning. Bye bye, students.